Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in your Hyundai Elantra N. This exciting feature helps you achieve maximum acceleration from a standstill by optimizing your car's engine, clutch, and transmission performance. Before you begin, always ensure your engine is fully warmed up and has completed its break-in period, typically around 600 to 1,000 kilometers, as specified in your owner's manual. To prepare your Elantra N, first engage N mode or a custom drive mode with the engine set to Sport Plus. Next, you'll need to adjust your electronic stability control, either set it to ESC Sport or fully turn it off by holding the button for more than 3 seconds. Also, confirm your steering wheel is perfectly straight, all doors are closed, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Now for the exciting part. Navigate to N mode on your infotainment screen, then select Performance Options, and finally, Launch Control. Here, you can set your preferred launch RPM, with 3,000 to 3,500 being common. Once set, firmly depress the brake pedal with your left foot, ensuring 100% pressure. Immediately and quickly floor the accelerator with your right foot. The system will indicate Launch Control ready. With Launch Control ready displayed, release the brake pedal within 8 to 10 seconds to initiate your powerful launch. Remember, this feature is designed for closed track use on dry asphalt, not public roads. For optimal performance and vehicle longevity, avoid constant use and allow your Elantra N to cool down between launches, perhaps by driving above 18 miles per hour for at least 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.